It's a cool playground, huh? You like it?
Of course we did. Come on. Walking over the shark.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hello up there.
This is HQ 2018.
Cool.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Literally, you're a monster. Levi's outside scuba diving.
Should we go see if we can walk down to the creek?
Don't even talk.
What? You want to walk down to the creek, Levi? Today we're going to check out the Gunpowder Creek Nature Park, huh, Liam?
Yeah, and I have my shark, and in my mama's bag, there's a scuba diver with my baby shark.
Yep.
So I'm gonna pretend it's a
So
baby
we'll
shark.
see how this trail is. We'll tell you how it goes.
Okay. And
Let's go.
I'm videoing, but watch.
What was that little tree house? It looks so cute.
I know. I wish we had a tree house like that.
That's pretty fun looking, huh?
Look, there is a heater in there.
It might be like air conditioning.
Huh?
How neat.
That's literally someone's house. Look,
Yeah?
it goes down.
Do you think they live there?
Yeah. Duh.
That would be pretty crazy
I'm gonna
if
set off
they
my
lived in a
robot.
tree.
I'm gonna set off my robot. Bubba. Hi, guys. Guys. Come. Come.
So it is a pretty steep hill down. So we gotta have to walk back up this. Huh, what do you think about that? Because you're being carried, huh?
Hi.
Yeah.
Levi.
That's Levi
Baba.
and Bubba.
Hear the water?
You hear the water? I don't know if I hear the water yet. We've never been here before, so we don't really know where this creek is.
So this baby shark is lost. I'm holding it right now because it's a robot shark, and I found a map, and it said it came from this way, so I have to go this way.
I will say it's a very nice paved trail.
Yeah.
I'm just not looking forward to the walk back up.
I wish we could build a treehouse out of all the sticks out of here.
So on the way up, what are we gonna do?
Take lots of breaks.
And find some cool rocks?
Because we're not taking breaks. This is the easy part.
The easy part is the way down, right?
Yeah.
It's a very
easy stuff.
steep
Yeah.
hill.
Yeah.
At least it's paved very nicely.
Well, today, actually, I got stung by something, but I thought it was a plant. And it was a very dangerous root.
Yeah, it might have been a prickly plant, huh?
Yeah.
You had a little thorn in your foot.
Yeah. The stinger came out, Mama, I promise.
Yeah.
It didn't just stay in.
Pretty flowers.
You would have saw on the tip of the plant.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't get lost. There's been a lot of turns in this trail. We keep...
Another one of those lizards.
I hope that's what it was.
Try this. Then try this. Come on, walk slowly now because the current's turning softer because that's more salamanders. Walk quietly. Now,
It sounds like it's coming from that way. Hey, we made it!
I'm on T-Rex.
Just be careful, baby. The rocks will be slippery. Careful. With every step, be careful. Careful. Have you tried to lift any rocks, Liam? Careful, baby. Hey, Levi, look at me. Woo! You broke that one. Good job.
What's telling me the job of breaking the rock?
I don't know. It was cool. Pick up some smaller ones, baby.
Mom, can you please give me, Levi, will Bella throw that for me?
No, baby, right here. Stay over here. Okay.
Mom,
It is beautiful here. Liam's having a blast. The baby. You gotta stay over here. You can't go over there. Here, go find a rock over here. Find a rock over here. There's so many rocks. You can find them anywhere. And he wants to go where he shouldn't go, but just gotta be careful with the slippery rocks. But it is so beautiful. He wants to find the biggest rocks to throw. Just find a small one. That's gonna be hard to throw that one. I will in a minute. Oh my goodness, you splashed Mama. Did you splash Mama? Careful. So many butterflies down here though. It's so pretty. Huh. Careful. Yeah, don't be worried about your shark, be worried about you.
Oh, but that was pretty cool, right?
You caught it, but don't do that again, okay? It's worth the walk back up, isn't it? It's a pretty cool place. Shall we try to find something under the rocks?
No.
What if we find a salamander or something?
Whoa, she found a shell.
Careful, watch his feet. Oh, a little shell.
Where? Where is that? Oh my God.
Let's see.
I hear it ocean. Yes, it's from the ocean.
It's from the creek, really. Did you see that? It's a crawdad right there.
Where?
Hold on. Hold on.
No, Levi!
Oh, right there.
Nana! Don't let it get out of here. Don't let it go away. Let it go.
We found a crawdad.
Ow.
He'll pinch your finger.
See something that I want to see.
It'd be cool to find a salamander, though, huh?
Yeah.
A stick? You found another lizard? Whoa. Maybe we'll find some on the way back.
So, walk quietly so you can actually see them. Because they're like this.
You think you can find a lizard, Levi? You think we'll find a lizard, Levi?
No.
You're white? Careful, baby. Muddy, muddy butt. Muddy butt, muddy butt. It's like a bubble butt, but a muddy butt. Huh. Nope, you're good.
Yeah, Mom.
let's go. See how far Levi will walk with. I don't even know if this is the right way. Hopefully it is.
Hi. Wait, are we lost?
No, we're not lost.
Baba, me.
Well, Liam's like running. Mama's already out of breath. I do have a wet baby on me though.
Up. Up.
You are up. You're not getting down. You don't want to walk up that hill, do you?
Mama.
We'll get him. Definitely is a workup coming back up. Whew. What do you think, Levi? You just chilling?
Yeah.
It's so pretty down there. It's pretty walking too. It's just, wish it wasn't such a straight up hill. Like a mile down. I don't know. It's far away. It's really pretty though. And the wind is blowing nicely.
I'm going out.
Set, run! It's really not horrible. I mean, you can always take breaks.
Yeah.
We're wet though.
Yeah.
Makes it feel a little better when it's
Yeah.
hot out.
Yeah.
You hear the birds? They're pretty birds, huh?
Yeah.
Be careful. It's like a steep decline.
It's very orange. When it's in the sun, it's even oranger.
We found it down in the water, huh?
Yeah. Well, when it's at water and it's really
It almost looked like a penny, didn't it?
Yeah.
Underneath the water. That was a pretty cool rock. It's really the only rock we found because we found a crawdad and some spiders. Yeah, I would say it's a nice little workout, but it's not horrible.
Killing a moth.
And a 6-year-old can do it just fine, right?
Yes. And I'll be as strong as King Kong when I get up there.
So it is definitely worth hanging out at the creek. If we would have known how cool it was. Sorry. Am I hearing you? Say sorry. Say hi.
So glad. Hi.
So we would have known how cool it was down there. We would have brought a lunch and snacks and stuff. We only had water. But you want more water? Okay.
No.
So we are just about at the car. And that was a fun little adventure, wasn't it?
Yes.
I'd check it out if I were you.